guys, it's Serena, and I'm doing my project on hygge, which is the Danish idea of living comfortably. I found this on Pinterest, and I've been obsessed with it ever since, and I just wanted to share with you guys some interesting information. So what is hygge? It's pronounced hygge. It's a Scandinavian word and a defining characteristic of Danish culture. It's derived from the Danish word meaning well-being. The closest American translation is a state of coziness and contentment. It's just really about being comfortable and doing things that make you happy and make you in a relaxed state of mind. It basically requires a conscious appreciation for enjoying the present. It's all about being in the now and not worrying or stressing out about things that may be in the future, and spending time with loved ones. It's considered more of a feeling than a lifestyle, but you can make lifestyle changes to increase your feeling of hygge. It's meant to promote well-being by putting you into a state of comfort and happiness. Some ways that you can add hygge to your life is to light some candles, start a fire in your fireplace, cozy up in a blanket, wear oversized sweaters, spend more time with family and friends, conversing and just having a good time. You can do yoga or meditation. That's a picture. So what is not hygge? So a big hygge no-no is being on your cell phone because it distracts you from the present, and it disallows you to be in the moment. Hanging out with people who are negative or add stress to your life or are not good for you and your well-being, it's considered not hygge. Doing anything you hate to do, like if you hate exercising, even though it could be hygge if you love exercising, if you hate it, then it's not hygge. That includes yoga too. Yoga is meant to de-stress you, but if you really don't like doing it, then it's not hygge. Can you have a hygge lifestyle in the summer? Well, most people think that hygge is just for the winter months where it's really cozy and it's cold outside, so you snuggle up. But you can incorporate hygge into every day of the year. That's how the Danish maintain their lifestyle all year long. Ways that you can add hygge to your warmer months is to drink lemonade on your porch, throw a barbecue or pool party, hang string lights over your porch, spend a lazy afternoon in a hammock, or have a potluck picnic with friends and family. All of those things are just about enjoying yourself and enjoying the moment and living your best, happiest life. Can food be hygge? Hygge is all for comfort foods. It's actually a big part of what hygge is. So homemade sweets, hot drinks, and favorite foods from childhood are all considered hygge. Ambiance while eating can be hygge too. So like a cozy dinner with a loved one with candlelights and jazz music, or a favorite restaurant. The main thing is to be comfortable and familiar with your surroundings. And that's a person cozying up a tea, which is my favorite drink of all time. So basically, just enjoy today and be happy. Live your best hygge life.